to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need another man.
What's up people, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Henry, back again with a new vlog. And in today's video guys, we are going to be doing a living room cleaning. I'm going to be removing all my little Christmas decor that I had, and also do a refresh in my living room guys. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. So I'm going to be starting by putting down my Christmas tree. I'm now removing the gems and putting them in a carton. I usually don't dispose all my cartons that I get when buying this Christmas tree and the gems. So guys, I'm going to be using the same to keep them until the next Christmas. And guys, you can comment below and let me know, when do you usually put down your Christmas tree? Is it immediately after Christmas, or do you wait until the next year? Is it even in the middle of January like me? Just comment and let me know. I'm going to fold this very well and put it in a box so that I can be able to keep it for long, and when Christmas comes I'll just buy a little other items to add on what I have. This is the carton that I got the Christmas tree with. It's always advisable not to dispose it if you're not planning to dispose your Christmas tree.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance.
I'm trying to put all these decors in the same place, in the same carton, to avoid so many packages in the place that I'm going to put them. But they were not fitting in one carton. I had to put the star in a different place.
We're just working through a little.
Also the pillows, I had to get rid of the Christmas themed and the holiday themed pillows. And the rest of the pillow covers needed some cleaning, so I'm also going to get rid of them.
It's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you.
Once I'm done with the pillow covers, I'm going to be cleaning my sofas using a damp cloth. Today I'm not going to be vacuuming the seats because I did that like 2 weeks ago, so they are not so dusty. I'm going to vacuum them during the next cleaning.
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young.
I have my cleaning products of the day, the Lavic and the Magni and the rest. So I'm going to use the Magni to clean my surfaces, starting with the coffee table.
Why you stay by my side? You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side.
The reason why I love the Magni multi-purpose is because it's a disinfectant and at the same time it's a cleaner. And guys, it's also cost friendly, it's so affordable, it's not expensive. So guys, you can look for this cleaner because it cleans perfectly. I had forgotten about this when getting rid of the Christmas decoration, but now I'm taking it away. After cleaning and disinfecting, I use my pledge so that to maintain my furniture and also keep them shiny.
It don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your God is a big.
Guys, I noticed that there is original pledge and there is also lavender pledge. It's all about your choice. For me, I use the original pledge because this is what I'm used to. I have not yet tried the lavender. In case I try, I'm going to let you know how lavender is, but I think it's just the flavor. I don't think there is any difference, but I don't know. In case you try, let me know also. Once that's done, I'm going to vacuum my carpets. By the way, when using this vacuum machine, you can blow and also vacuum. The side plug, I mean that hole on the side, is for vacuuming, and the top plug is for blowing the carpet. For now, I'm vacuuming my carpets. After that, I'm going to be using Mr. Sheen Carpet Fresh Deodorizer. I'm using a Spring Fresh flavor. I'm going to sprinkle just a little on my carpet and then allow it some like 15 minutes to be absorbed by the carpet and then vacuum again. Meanwhile, I'll be changing the pillow covers. Guys, you remember the last time I had different pillows? By the way, I changed. I have my new pillows which are pure fiber. I truly love them. This time round I wasn't disappointed. I got what I wanted. By now 15 minutes are over, so I'm going to vacuum my carpet again to get rid of the deodorizer that I had put on the carpet. When you choose to use this deodorizer, ensure that your carpet is not wet, and also don't use a lot of this carpet deodorizer. Just sprinkle a very little amount and then vacuum. This helps preventing bad odors from your carpet. And guys, I have this stand that I'm going to change the items on it. I'm going to put some flowers, some different kind of flowers in a vase. So I have this white vase and these cute flowers. I love them. And also I have this other blue vase. And these tulips, are they tulips? I don't know, just comment below, but I think they are. And the other thing that I have is this succulent thing. I love it. I love yellow color. So it was dusty and I had to wipe it a bit. So that's it for the top part of the stand. Then on the bottom part, on the lower part, I have this vase and these flowers. Actually, I love all these flowers. I got them from Fanaka store. And then guys, I had this pampas grass. It was too long for me, so I had to shorten it, but I shortened it not equally. My remotes are always all over, so it's time to arrange them. And guys, by now I was so tired, and the glass that I was to take with the juice was not clean, so I just had to take the juice with a bottle, I mean, because guys, this cleaning job is not a joke. So now it's on my dining table. I'm going to be cleaning my dining table using the same magni.
Working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up.
And then later pledge to maintain my furniture and also keep it shiny.
Reason why you stay by my side.
It's always advisable to also use the pledge on your seats, because in case they have the wooden parts.
Back, no matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
This is the other flower that I have. I think you had seen this when I was cleaning the other side of my living room. So I'm thinking this stays here on the dining table. Then on my floors, I'm going to be using Jik and Lavic disinfectant. I'm going to be using 3 cups of Lavic and 1 cup of Jik.
All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And hoping to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight to you, the weight to you. Don't need a no man.
It's now time to change my air freshener. I had the orange scent, now I want to have the lemon scent from Stella. One thing that I noticed is when you're using this Airwick air freshener, you should always go for the Airwick, because the Stella is a bit short. It has a hook at the back, and this is how it works.
I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done.
So this is how my living room looks now after cleaning. This is the reveal now after cleaning, and the refresh.
The view of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the way to you, the way to you. Don't need a no man.
Guys, this is to remind you to subscribe, like the video, comment and share the video. And guys, if this is the kind of content that you love the most, let me know in the comment section so that I can be doing this cleaning and the organizing videos more often.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And hoping to tell me the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man. Don't need an old man. Back and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from. Now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man. Don't need an old man. Down for you. I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need an old man.
And guys, this marks the end of the video. If you are meeting for the first time, if you are watching my video for the first time, please make sure that you watch another video. I have a variety of videos in this channel, and if this is the kind of the videos that you love, please comment below and let me know. And until the next video, adios.
We're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young.